Welcome to lling 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. lling 7 TV News Report. This is the news for Sunday, October the 1st, 2023. These are the news making the headlines. A manhunt has been launched for a man who was under police guard at the Sentence Bay Hospital for the alleged rape and murder of 8-year-old Talia Thompson after he escaped custody on Sunday morning. The details of the incident are not yet known, but the police say that the 27-year-old managed to escape around 12:15 a.m. The lawmen say measures have been put in place to have him back in custody in the shortest possible time. The accused was under police guard from Sunday, September 24, pending charges for the incident. Young Talia was allegedly raped and murdered on Saturday, September 23rd by the man who is said to be a close family friend. He was taken to hospital after reportedly shooting himself and inflicting several stab wounds to his body in an attempted suicide. Continuing the news. 2 men gunned down moments apart in St. Anne. 2 men were shot and killed moments apart in Seville Heights, St. Anne's Bay in St. Anne on Sunday morning. The deceased are 37-year-old Tyrone Duffus, a laborer, and 40-year-old Grant, otherwise called Rooster, an electrician of both of Seville Heights addresses. According to reports, around 12:05 a.m., Duffus was at a shop in the community when he was pounced upon by gunmen who opened fire, hitting him several times. The lawmen say the gunmen then went to Grant's home in close proximity to the shop, kicked open his door, and opened gunfire at him. The police were called to both crime scene. Duffus and Grant were taken to hospital, where they were pronounced dead. The police are yet to establish a motive for the killing.